This is Yujun Wang, and this is my YouTube video for Chapter 5, Exercise 8 for Computer Science 110, Section 1, Spring 2019. So this question asks us to write a turtle program which the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red, and the values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow color, and the bars representing values less than 100 are filled with green. So firstly, as usual, I import the turtle module to let the Python allow us to use turtle, and I set up the screen on the playground for the turtle, and change the background color to light green, and I will call my turtle as test as usual, and I change its pen size to number 3. And the next I define a function which name is draw bar with t, which is the turtle, and height. So it will modify the turtle bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red, values between 100 and 200 are filled with yellow, and the bars representing a value less than 100 are filled with green. So firstly, so I first write if the height is greater than 200, and then the test will fill it with color red, and else if the height is between 100 and 200, it will fill with color yellow, and else if the height is less than 100, and it will fill with the green color. So firstly, it will begin fill to it will first turn left for 90 degrees and move forward for the height, for its height value, and then I added this new one, which is right. This one will write. The turtle will write its the value of its height on the top of the bar. So I first put a little space in front of the number, and I turn the number into a string, so then the turtle can write it down. And after this, I will let it turn right for 90 degrees and go forward for 40, which the turtle will finish the top of the bar at the time, and I will let it turn right for 90 degrees again, and it will go forward for the same value of the height, and will turn left for 90 degrees so that it will finish a bar, and then it will end fill, which means at that time if the value of the height is above 200, the turtle will fill the bar with red color, and if the height is between 100 and 200, the test will fill with yellow, and the same as the situation which the height is less than 100. And I will let it go forward for 10 units. So it will be some little space between the two bars. So next, I have 3 values for the height of the turtle to draw, which is 48, 100 and 201. So, and for high axis, the test will draw these 3 values, and then we can run the program. Okay. So just want to make sure. The 40 value here is to finish this one, and for the go for 10 units is this one. You can see a little space between two bars. Just want to make sure that, and that's it.